put up this extravagant event right here in Toronto. And of course, Nathan Phillips Square. Maraming salamat po. As I've heard, this is actually the longest and the biggest Filipino festival, not just in Canada, but around the world. So you guys are very lucky. And every year, Mabuhay Festival brings you a very special guest. Excited na ba kayo for that? Okay, I think medyo malayo ako. So, bababa nga ako ngayon. And I'm gonna ask someone.
Oh! Ay, diba? Toronto. Diba? May nag-correct talaga sa akin kasi nag-post ako ng video sa Instagram. And I said, look guys, I'm in Toronto. And it post, Toronto daw. Okay, sige na. Kumusta na kayong lahat? Na-miss ko kayo! 1 month na since the last time I was here. 1 month na pala. I was here, of course, not everyone here today was at that festival. I brought my film, Song of the Fireflies, to Toronto 1 month ago for the Italian Contemporary Film Festival. Was there anyone here? Is there anyone here today na nakapanood ng film ko? Song of the Fireflies, nung gabi na yan? Ay, wala. Walang nanood. Uy, sold out naman ha. Ay, ito na lang. Siyempre, the elephant in the room, as they say, is that alam nyo namang lahat na iba yung ine-expect nyo ngayong araw na to, di ba? Alam nyo yun, di ba? Na napakagaling, napaka-sexy na young actress. Of course, but because of a medical emergency, you got me! Ito yon. Ang masasabi mo lang, tatapatan ko siya sa kaseksihan nung 90s, nung aking kabataan. Siyempre, nung kumuha sila ng kapalit sa kanya, sabi nila, ang kailangan yung medyo kaidaran lang niya, ha? Hindi naman kami nagkakalayo ng edad. Wish. Diba? But since you got me, are you ready to have fun with me? Yeah? And ang gusto ko malaman, party people ba ang kabamayans dito sa Toronto? Are you ready to party? Alright. I'd like to... Kasi diba, we actually had a concert here noong 20 years ago na dito sa Toronto. Ewan ko kung may nakapanood sa inyo niyan. Siguro wala na naman. Parang ng movie. Anyway, okay. So, diba? Kasi yan yung mga dahilan kung yan, dalawang kanta yan yung dahilan bakit ako tinawag na Queen of Heartbreak Songs. Nung narinig ko yan, nung binansagan ako niyan, di ba? Kulabot na ng palihala, ako, Queen of Heartbreak Songs. Parang, ha? Parang ayoko naman yata, parang lahat na lang ba ng mga kanta ko, puro na lang malungkot. Pero, today, magsasaya po tayo, okay? Tuloy ang party! Tuloy! You guys wanna dance? Okay, kanina I mentioned na magpapaakit ako dito ng mga Zumba dancers. Mga Zumba dancers. Sino ba gustong sumayaw dito? Very, very, very simple. And I'm going to be joined here by our friends, Thea, ayan, Lee, and Marco. Ayan, come up here guys. O, diba? The young ones. Yes, please, I love it. O, diba? Very, very summery si ate. That's really... Bella! Okay, who else wants to come up? Come on. What about the BIDC people? Tita Helen, nasa ka na? Ayan! Okay, I love it. Ang ganda ng mga outfits. I love the summery outfits. Hello, what's your name? Oh, ayun na naman pala. Professional. Ikaw? Mary Chris. Ayan. Okay, come up here. Okay. Tatanggalin natin ito mga madapatan. Okay. Alright. Yes, please. What's your name? Rim. Okay, let's do it. Let's play that music. Here we go. Alright. Kayo na, gawin nyo dyan. Okay? Kahit dyan lang, sumayo kayo. technically the 90s up until the 2000s. And this was the music that we grew up with dancing to. Okay, so kahit nandiyan na kayo, I would love for Toronto to dance with me! Okay, this is what I call retro dance. Here we go. Opa Gangnam Style! Okay, alright. I don't want to go without singing this beautiful song, of course. The theme for loving everything that is Filipino, and especially original Filipino music. Originally, of course, written by our national artist, Ryan Cayabyab, and sung by Haji Alejandro. Sing it with me! Kay ganda ng ating musika! Let's go! Lang ako'y natutong umawi. So don't go away. Wala kay ganda ng ating musika. Thank you so much, Mabuhay Philippines Festival, PIDC, Baby K, Sir Tom, Helen, Karen, everybody part of the team. Thank you to each and every one of you for being with me dito on this Saturday night. Did you guys have fun? Yeah! Don't go away, marami pa. I'm gonna just change. Magpapowder ako ng nose. And of course, babalik ako for Francis Libiran Fashion Show. Okay, see you later! Alright!
Pagkatapos nila. Tingnan nga. Thank you.
Hindi kasi ang kamay ni Noah nito eh.
Noah, Mommy said, your hand is too big for these gloves. Tell
Bilisan
Mommy.
ako para sa'yo. Eh, hindi ko kasi sa kamay
No,
mo.
for Atoy na lang, for Noah. Yeah, like Noah, this is a toy for you. Ayan o.
So, another one is, if you can bring me
$10
a
per pair.
Filipino flag. First of all,